Hello everyone, this is Dr. Veena Patil, a dermatocosmetologist. I practice at Mediderma Hospital, Bangalore. Today, I'll be giving you all some tips on moisturizing your skin. If you want to moisturize your whole body, the best time to apply would be preferably after bath, when your body is still wet in some places. Prefer a lotion to a cream because lotion has a flowy consistency and application to the whole body will be easy and you can cover a large area in small quantity of the moisturizer. If you tend to have a very dry skin, a very sensitive skin, it is even better to apply oil before bath and then apply moisturizer after bath. This kind of double hydration will keep your skin hydrated for a very long time and you can feel smooth and soft throughout the day. Now, if you have a dry face, please choose a cream over a lotion because small area of application and creams are thicker, easy to apply and they stay on for a very long time. But avoid applying oil to your face because you can get pimples. Oil is advisable on face only for infants and prepubertal skin because the oil glands are not very well developed and chances of them getting pimples are very rare. If you have a pimply skin and still you want to hydrate it because it becomes dry in some places, then please ask your dermatologist to give you a suitable water-based moisturizer so that you can apply moisturizer liberally on the face without the fear of getting pimples. Now coming to your hands. If you have dry hands and they are sensitive, especially in this lockdown period when you are continuously washing the dishes, the hands get to tend to become very dry. So you can just rub in some cooking oil onto your hands before you start doing the dishes, and after you are done, you can apply a thick moisturizing cream to the hand to make them soft and less irritable. Please avoid washing your hands again and again with soap and water if you have sensitive skin. Instead, you can use sanitizer. Then, if you have dry cracked foot, for that also you can use thick moisturizing creams, but to keep it oily for a longer time, you please cover them with socks and shoes, or even you can use some moccasins. If you have dry skin and you are exposed to a cold AC environment throughout the day, you will tend to lose moisture on your body and it may become drier. So in case you are in such an environment, please wear full sleeve clothes and cover your legs totally to prevent loss of moisture. One more important thing is the method of application of moisturizer is important. I have seen many patients, they take the moisturizer on the hand and they rub the palms and then smear it on the face. This is a wrong way of application because you'll be applying most of the moisturizer to your palm. So it will get absorbed in the palms. So the best way is to dab the moisturizer on the face and then spread it out. I hope all these tips have been useful to you and you use it in your daily curriculum and benefit from it. Thank you.